How to get rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks, also known as scars, appear when your skin rapidly changes shape as a result of weight gain or growth. They typically don't indicate that your health is compromised in any way. Stretch marks can affect anyone, regardless of gender. The two stages of life where they occur most frequently are pregnancy and puberty. Let's go over a few tips to get rid of stretch marks. 1. Coconut oil. Some of the skin benefits of virgin coconut oil are well documented. Your skin's barrier of defense may be preserved with its aid. Research from 2019 revealed that coconut oil helps various skin infections and dry skin. Furthermore, virgin coconut oil has been shown to hasten the healing of skin conditions in a 2012 study on rats. Trusted source. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. 2. Laser treatment. Lasers give the skin a concentrated beam of light. According to 2017 research by Trusted Source, depending on the type of laser utilized, treatment may boost collagen synthesis and assist stretch marks in fading to blend in with the surrounding skin. Before you notice results from some laser treatments, you may need several sessions. 3. Microneedling. In microneedling, the skin is punctured with microscopic needles. Collagen and elastin are produced by the skin as a result of this method, which may make loose skin appear tighter. Stretch marks can be treated with minimally invasive microneedling, which will also help to balance out skin tone. 4. Vitamin A. Retinoid is the term used to describe the vitamin A found in skincare products. Retinoids can give skin a smoother, younger appearance. Many over-the-counter, OTC, topical cosmetic products contain them. 5. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful moisturizer and skin healing factor. It is frequently included in serums, creams, and lotions. 6. Radiofrequency treatment. Through radiofrequency treatments, collagen formation is stimulated in your skin. The skin may become firmer as a result. 7. Centella. A common plant used in Korean beauty, K-beauty, products is Centella asiatica. Products containing centella, also referred to as cica creams, are occasionally used to cure scars or soothe and restore sensitive skin. In the US, cica creams are becoming more and more popular, but they can be expensive. 8. Sugar. Sugar is a well-known exfoliant. You will feel smoother after the tiny stone's gentle exfoliation of dead skin. One of the few treatments for stretch marks with a track record in the medical community is a dermatologist's application of microdermabrasion. 9. Aloe vera. As a natural skin remedy, aloe vera has a long history. To calm and hydrate skin, a direct application of the aloe vera plant's internal jelly is recommended. Aloe vera as a stretch mark remedy has little clinical evidence, however, pure aloe vera can soothe and repair skin, so it might be worth a shot. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.